What is up, ladies and gentlemen, this is Nish for Tech and Travel, and in this quick little video I'm going to be showing you how you can access the split screen option in a Xiaomi device. As you can see that there is as soon as I press the option button, there is a split screen option on top left corner of the phone. So how can we actually put to use this option? Now, just for an example, let me open the YouTube app. Now, as soon as I open my YouTube app, as you can see that the YouTube app opens up, and now let me just press the home button. Let me press the option button, and I'm going to press the split screen toggle menu. Now, as you can see, it is going to say drag here to use split screen. So the app that is being opened, you simply have to drag that app into that area. Now the YouTube has now is taking 50% of the screen. The topmost portion of the phone, the YouTube is taking now. Now in the bottommost portion of this phone, you can use that area to access other apps. For example, as an example, let me do that with the Chrome. We'll open my Chrome browser. Now, as you can see, on the top half of the phone, the YouTube app is open, and on the bottom half of the phone, the Chrome browser is open. Now, exactly like this, you can watch videos on YouTube on the top and browse the internet at the bottom of your phone. So this is a very handy option that Xiaomi has given us in the latest update. Actually, not in the latest update, it was provided to us by I guess a couple of updates back, but nevertheless I decided to make a quick little video on this. So I hope this video you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. If you disliked the video, please leave a thumbs down. Nevertheless, please subscribe to the channel.